Meanwhile, no end to the third wave of the coronavirus surge in the national capital. Delhi recorded its biggest ever COVID-19 spike with more than 6,800 cases in a day. It's a sharp spike since the last 1 week. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will chair a high-level meeting today at 4 p.m. to review the COVID situation in the national capital. The Chief Minister will also address the issue of shortage of beds in Delhi hospitals. According to reports, there are 15,801 beds, out of which 8,731 beds are vacant. However, markets continue to remain crowded in the capital despite this surge in coronavirus cases ahead of the festive season. Well, a double whammy for Delhiites as the national capital's two-pronged battle with air pollution and COVID-19 continues. Take a look at this ground report from Delhi.
The air quality index in the national capital has breached 500 mark, and at the moment overall air quality index in Delhi PM 2.5 is 508, and Safar app in my phone cannot notice even beyond this point. And that explains these images live at Vijay Chowk in Lutyens, Delhi, where I'm at the moment standing. India Gate is few meters away, but that visibility has been killed by the thick layer of smog which has gripped not only the capital but the entire NCR. And remember, it is the double attack on the national capital in this entire region. The first, it is a massive outbreak of COVID-19 where Delhi is witnessing again surge, another surge in third wave of COVID-19. Every day 5,000, 6,000 cases, positive cases, and as there is also prediction that in the festive season this could even breach 10,000 cases mark per day in the national capital alone. There is already throat choking, itching in eyes. These are the people in different parts of Delhi witnessing. Even yesterday the situation was vulnerable, and now this thick layer of smog which has gripped the capital and another COVID-19 outbreak will make people a double hit in the national capital alone. And if urgent measures are not taken, the situation could be even worse. Reporting in New Delhi at Vijay Chowk with Ashwini Helen, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
We are having the blanket of this haze layer over the entire Delhi NCR. This is the combination of pollutant and smoke which is generated by the local pollutant as well as the from the stable burning smoke coming from the Punjab and Haryana. During the short period of time 10th and 11th, the air quality may further deteriorate, and this similar condition may prevail after that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.